Hi everyone, today we're going to look at how to convert between different units of measurement. We'll begin by converting some metric lengths. If we start with 245 centimeters and we want to go to meters, you can see that on our chart it tells us that to get from centimeters to meters we're going to need to divide by 100. So if we divide 245 by 100, we will get 2.45 meters. So 245 centimeters is equal to 2.45 meters. Then we will look at imperial lengths. If we want to convert 8 yards into inches, we can see that we're going to have to do this in 2 steps. We will take 8 yards and multiply that by 3 to turn it into feet. This will give us 24 feet. From there, we will multiply the 24 by 12. And 24 times 12 will give us 288. So that means that 8 yards is equal to 288 inches. We can use this metric volume conversion chart to convert 8.2 liters into milliliters. We'll do this by multiplying by 1,000. 8.2 multiplied by 1,000 will give us 8,200. So 8.2 liters is equal to 8,200 milliliters. Then we can use another conversion chart to convert imperial volume measurements. If we want to convert fluid ounces into gallons, we can see that we're going to need to begin by dividing 2,680 by 8. We'll divide that by 8, and that will get us into cups. It's approximately 335 cups. We will then divide that by 16 to convert that measurement into gallons. So that means that 2,680 fluid ounces is approximately equal to 20.9375 gallons, which we can round off to 1 decimal place to be 20.9. This conversion chart will help us to convert measurements between metric and imperial lengths. So if we want to convert 8.6 meters into inches, we're going to need to find a pathway along our chart. We can see that to get from meters to inches, we will want to multiply by 100 to get into centimeters, and then because we're going against the arrow, we will be dividing by 2.54 in order to get our measurement into inches. So 8.6 multiplied by 100 will give us 860, and then we will divide that by 2.54 to get 338.582677, or we can round that to 338.6. So 8.6 meters is approximately equal to 338.6 inches. And that's how we can use conversion charts to convert measurements from one unit into another.